How about Mr. Froggy went a courtin'? It's a little song about a mouse and a frog who fall in love and get married. Yeah, another of my favorites. Can you hop on your horse? Yeah, just like Mr. Froggy. Mr. Froggy went a courtin' and he did ride. Mr. Froggy went a courtin' and he did ride, a sword and pistol by his side. Let's walk down to her door. He went down to Missy Mousie's door. He went down to Missy Mousie's door, where he'd been many times before. Let's see if she's there. Missy Mousie, are you within? Are you there? Missy Mousie. Missy Mousie, are you within? She says, yes, kind sir, I sit and spin. Take her on your knee. He took Missy Mouse up on his knee. He took Missy Mouse up on his knee. He said, Missy Mousie, will you marry me? Can you be Missy Mousie? Without my Uncle Rat's consent. Today? Are you sure? Without my Uncle Rat's consent, I wouldn't marry the president. Can you be Uncle Rat and wiggle your nose? When Uncle Rat gave his consent. Okay, he's a nice guy. When Uncle Rat gave his consent, the weasel wrote the publishment. That means they're married now. Where will the wedding breakfast be? Where will the wedding breakfast be? Way down yonder in the hollow tree. Can you be a bumblebee? The first one in was a bumblebee. The first one in was a bumblebee. He danced a jig with a two-legged flea. The owl did hoot and the birds they sang. The owl did hoot and the birds they sang. Through the woods the church bells rang. They all went sailing across the lake. They all went sailing across the lake and got swallowed up by a big black snake. Aw, poor Mr. Froggy and Missy Mousie. But you know what the snake said, don't you? Excuse me. I love that one. Well, let's play another round of What Would You Rather? Would you rather eat a lollipop or eat a candy heart? Well, that's a bit of a hard decision, isn't it? Especially if you have a sweet tooth, like me. Well, but again, it's what would you rather. How about this one? Would you rather dance at a party or do arts and crafts at a party? Well, do I have to make a decision? I'd love to do both at a party, right? That would be really fun. But again, what would you rather?